WST Fab is a contract production-focused machining and fabrication manufacturer. Probably push out close to 2 million parts a year. We always were looking for ways to automate. As we started to grow our business and pick up more small, high-volume, repetitive parts, we started talking about it a lot more, and then PCC got us thinking about cobots. From a cost standpoint, to invest $550,000 into an industrial robot that's in a fixed position versus, probably a third of the cost for a heavier duty cobot that we can then move somewhere else if we need to or want to. If something does change, we can pivot immediately and use it somewhere else, no problem.
What I really liked about our experience with WST Fab is we try so hard to execute these projects and do it in a timely manner, but also do that solid knowledge transfer. We want to do a great job, but we want to hand the keys over to the customer and make sure that they can take what we've started and then run with it, expand on it, and build on it.
I see collaborative robots growing with us and giving us the ability to grow. They're going to be a vital stepping stone, I think, going forward, staying ahead of the curve of automation and the workforce shortage.
We have a YA program, which is Youth Apprentices, and we take kids from high school every year. We are extremely aggressive with it because we feel like you can't go out and hire the perfect candidate. There is no such thing. But you can take a kid and mold them and train them into the perfect employee that you want. And we grow that way. Your workforce is smaller and it's not growing. We want to grow our force where we take our intelligence and apply it where intelligence can be used rather than having somebody sit in front of a machine all day and flip parts. You can have a robot that's producing money steady for you and take your young minds and apply them to the next engineering role. Building a system around the robots. That's how I see our whole future going.